Prom is almost here! You don't want to miss these clever hacks to make your prom the most incredible night ever. New here? Don't forget to subscribe to Crafty Hackers to be the first to see our newest DIY projects and hacks. And give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Beauty tips and hacks for the night before prom. Exfoliating coffee mask. Make it yourself with 3 simple ingredients: sugar, coffee, and coconut oil. Mix these ingredients together until you get a sandy consistency. As you rub the mask on, the sugar will exfoliate and polish your skin, while the coffee breathes life into tired pores and the coconut oil moisturizes. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse it off. The turmeric mask. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory, and it promotes collagen production in your skin. To make your mask, grab your turmeric and add a bit of plain yogurt. Put a few dabs of yogurt into a bowl and sprinkle in some turmeric. Whip it into a luxurious mixture. Apply it to your skin, smoothing it over with your fingertips. Let it sit for a few minutes, then wash it off. Your skin will be glowing for the prom. The argan oil treatment. Hydrate your skin with argan oil, which is loaded with vitamin C and fatty acids, perfect for silky skin. All you have to do is massage a few drops into your skin. That's it. Lavender mosquito bite treatment. Lavender soothes the skin, taking away redness and inflammation. If you got mosquito bites, give this a try. Add some water to a spray bottle and a few drops of lavender essential oil. Shake it up and spray it on your skin the night before prom. The ice cube hack. Oh no, pimples? Not to worry, we've got a solution. All you need is an ice cube. Applying ice to your pimples reduces redness and decreases the size of the blemish. Not bad, huh? Tea bags for dark circles. Give your tired eyes a boost with this trick. Soak 2 tea bags in water and rest them on your eyes for 10 minutes or so. The caffeine in the tea reduces puffiness and energizes the skin around your eyes. Tips and hacks for makeup and hair. The powder hack. This makeup trick is used by professional makeup artists to avoid getting eyeshadow under your eyes. Apply a thick dusting of powder under your eyes before you put on your eyeshadow. Then, when you apply your eyeshadow, if any drops down, the powder will catch it. Then just brush it away with a blush brush. Simple! Lipstick eyeshadow. Create your own cream eyeshadow with lipstick. This is a super trendy method used by the stars. Just apply your lipstick to your eyelids for a more vibrant look. The shine in the lipstick will draw the light to your eyes. Stunning! False eyelashes. Add a bit of drama to your eyes with false eyelashes. Trim a small portion of the lashes and brush on a bit of eyelash glue. Glue the lashes to the outer edge of your eye. Now apply your mascara. Wow, your eyes now have this subtle, dramatic flair. Makeup jewels to make you sparkle. Get a couple of craft jewels and some spirit gum or eyelash glue. Glue the jewels to the outside corner of your eyes. Brilliant! Hair curls and dry shampoo for volume. This trick is easy once you get the hang of it. First, section off your hair. Then use your flat iron to add waves to your hair, like this. Do a small section at a time and add little curls by twisting your flat iron in opposite directions as you work your way down from your scalp to your ends. Now, grab your dry shampoo and spray it into your hair to give it extra volume. Fluff it with your fingers to finish the look. Pearl headband. Grab some craft pearls and a plain headband. Hot glue the pearls onto the headband. Now you look like royalty. Pearl hairpins. This one is super simple. Just paint some glitter nail polish onto the top of your bobby pins to make them sparkle. Then use your hot glue gun to attach a pearl to the ends. pull your hair back and secure it in place with your new hairpins. Voila! Say no to frizzy hair. Tame your wild locks by spreading hairspray onto your comb before you run it through your hair. The hairspray will smooth out flyaways and add a polished look to your hairstyle. Looking gorgeous. Clothing and jewelry tips and hacks. DIY pearl choker. For this, you'll need your hot glue gun, some satin ribbon, and some loose pearls. Carefully add a small dot of glue onto your ribbon and attach a pearl. Add dots an equidistant space apart from each other and glue on your pearls. Tie it around your neck in a bow. Isn't that pretty? DIY pearl earrings. Grab a plastic soda cap, craft pearls, earring studs, earring backs, scissors, hot glue, and white felt. Using the soda cap as a guide, stencil out 2 circles into the felt. Cut out the circles you made. Then hot glue the pearls to the felt circle. Glue the stud to the back. Once the glue hardens, you can put them on to add to your stylish pearl-themed look. Mirror on your purse. You can easily add a compact mirror to the inside flap of your purse in just one easy step. Just hot glue it into place on the inside of your flap. Now you've got a mirror to do quick makeup checks before your favorite songs. Minty Breath Freshener. You'll need water, peppermint oil, and a spray bottle. Pour the water into the spray bottle along with a few drops of peppermint essential oil. Shake it up, open wide, and spritz. Now you've got kissably cool minty breath. For the boys. Clever tie hack. Having trouble tying your tie? Check this out. Just ask an expert to help you tie it once, and you'll never have to do it again. Slide it on over your head and tighten it comfortably. Cut the back of the tie with scissors. Now cut some fabric tape into 2 squares. Attach the tape to each end of the tie where you cut it. Now put it on and stick it together. Done! Bra for backless dress. If you picked a dress that doesn't work with a conventional bra, try this hack. Take your bra and cut off the straps. Cut off the back straps too. Now get some double-sided tape. Line the inside of your bra with the double-sided tape. Pull off the backing to expose the sticky side. And tape it on. It will stay on while you dance all night. Now put on that fabulous dress. Look, no bra straps. Glam bag for your waist. For this look, you're going to need jewelry fasteners and clasps, fabric glue, a thick chain, and your purse. First, measure and cut 2 straps to fit the back of your purse. Attach them with the fabric glue, like this. Next, measure the chain to fit your waist. Shorten the chain to the length you want, but bending open the link. Now take a jewelry fastener and attach it to the chain. Time to add your clasp. Now thread the chain through the straps you glued on the back of your purse. Clasp it together and you've got a GLAM bag for your waist. Now you won't have to carry a purse on your arm all night. And it's a stylish addition to your dress. Who's ready to dance? Zip up your dress. Having trouble reaching the zipper on the back of your dress? Here's an easy fix. You'll need a paper clip and a shoestring. Open the paper clip and thread it through the shoelace. Now thread the paper clip through the hole in your zipper pull. Now zip up your dress with ease. Piece of cake. What's your favorite prom hack? Share it with us in the comments. And thanks for watching, Crafty Hackers. Have a great prom.